In the tree? I don't know. Okay, get ready. I can't see. Good grief. Did he come out? I didn't even see him.
Runner. No, he's there. Go get him, Beau. He's up there, Beau.
Where's he at?
12 o'clock.
Beau, here. Beau. Is that him out there?
Yeah, right.
Oh.
That was a good shot.
That big bird came out, I didn't even see what it was. Heel.
It was cool. You could see his colors in the sun. It was pretty neat.
Give. 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 Good boy.
I don't think I mangled him too bad.
No, I was gonna say he's not shot up too bad.
Yeah, because he started to go up. And
That's a pretty bird.
the advice.
Pretty bird.
Yeah.
All right.